Hey guys, this is Fundo on Pagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Phakade finally declared his love for Mazulu for all to hear and leave Sebenzile heartbroken. And Sebenzile got disappointed after confess on Mazulu that the tear was love has a love potion that bring Phakade on her. While Mazulu does not buy the story, Lindiwe wants to waiters at the cigarette lounge again, leaving Lindo curious as to what she ups to. Finally, Nairobi Makosazana digging up Men's grave and confirm her really dead. And they don't believe that that was Menzi bringing the knife on the office. And Lindo and Poppy are got disappointed when Lindo comes back to be a waiter on the cigar lounge. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. There are 4 things.